If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe before watching this video. Welcome back on Life Untouched, and today I am going to show you the unboxing of I12 and giving a solid review on it. So let's begin. As you can see on the box, these four things: auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri or Google Assistants, and the last one. They show that there are several colors, but you only get this white color. There are no other colors. So what you get in the box is the charging case wrapped in blue sheet, and under that is the cable, charging cable. And so you don't get a charger with it. You have to use your cell phone charger and a user manual. Pressing this button, you can set the charging on or off. Taking the lid off, you can see the red light glowing, so it means that these are charging. As soon as you take them off from the charging case, the lights start blinking. That means that the headphones are starting. So now you can connect your AirPods to your phone using Bluetooth. After using about a month, I'm giving a review on it. So I enjoyed the AirPods. Sound quality, I will give it 4 stars out of 5, as these are the perfect for this price. Coming on to the battery side, the battery is just minimal. It just averages at 2 hours. So the case has a rating of 300 mAh, so you can charge it only 2 times. However, the AirPods have a battery of 60 mAh, but you can only charge it 2 times using the charging case. So this is a nice AirPods you can get at this price, cheapest price. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.